Today I am explaining how can we convert existing lock into smart lock. Obviously we can convert the traditional door lock into smart remotely controllable lock by simply using this barrel, danalock and this dana pad. Initially we have to remove the old barrel from our existing door lock and insert this new barrel into the hole. In the other side we can insert this danalock to this rod like this. Then one side will be like this, like normal door lock, and the other side will be like this. It shows only danalock. So after installation we can use the key, the normal key, as well as mobile app from anywhere. Now we will see how to operate the mobile app and dana pad. This is the mobile app interface. We can lock and unlock using this app like this, and we can unlock like this. Top of that we can lock and unlock using this dana pad using the pin code. Like this, and we can unlock using the same code.